I just wouldn't make YouTube videos anymore. I'm Shannon Rose, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Q&A all about Patreon here on YouTube. Now, I get a lot of questions about Patreon, what it is, why I have it, what I post there, does it cost any money? Lots of questions daily, and so I thought it would probably be best just to do a Q&A over on Instagram. So I asked you on Instagram, ask me anything that you want to know about Patreon, and I'll make a whole video, and that way, anytime I have questions sent to me about it, I can just send you guys this video, and hopefully I'll answer your questions. If you are one of those people that was curious about Patreon and just what it is, and you see a lot of creators talking about it, hopefully this video will help answer any questions that you might have had. Okay, so one of the first questions I got on Instagram was, what is Patreon? So I'm gonna do my best to try to be able to explain it in my own way, but basically Patreon is a platform kind of similar to YouTube where you can post not just videos, but you could do podcasts there, you could post pictures, you can do live streams, you can sell merch there. Like it's basically like YouTube, but a paid version. So you do have to pay for it. And it's a really great way to be able to support some of your favorite creators. Okay, so another question is, why do I have a Patreon? So I actually decided to get a Patreon once YouTube started making a lot of changes on their platform about restricting a lot of the content that we were allowed and not allowed to post anymore. So as you guys know, I post a lot of like crazy story times, and I'm very candid. I'm very open about a lot of things that most people aren't. And because of that, my content gets demonetized a lot, and not just demonetized, but also they remove my videos and they give me a strike. So if you're not a YouTube creator and you don't know what that means, it basically means after 3 strikes, your channel completely gets taken down and you are never ever allowed to have a new channel after that. So that's when I decided, like, oh my gosh, that's like a safety net. I need to make a Patreon so I can continue to post the videos I love and have fun posting and that you guys love to watch without risking my channel getting taken down. And for those of you guys that are like, your videos don't get demonetized or whatever, like majority of my videos here get demonetized. So yeah, basically I have a Patreon so that I can continue to be able to post videos that I want to be able to talk about whatever I want. Those are the videos I'm able to post on Patreon because I'm not allowed to post them here anymore. Also, a lot of people sometimes get upset, not a lot, but there are a handful of people that get upset that I post over on Patreon because they can't afford it and they don't think it's fair that I'm posting videos there. But I just want you guys to know that without Patreon, I wouldn't be able to still be posting videos here. So Patreon actually allows me to be able to continue doing YouTube, which is something that I love, and I love making videos for you guys, and I want to continue to make videos here for you that won't get taken down. And so Patreon allows me to do that because, you know, this is my full-time job. So that money allows me to be able to continue posting videos that you guys can watch for free here. So I hope that that makes sense. So don't get upset that I have a Patreon. Be glad, because without Patreon, I wouldn't be here making this video right now, and I wouldn't be able to make any of the future videos that you see from me here on YouTube. Someone says, how many videos of yours does YouTube demonetize? Basically all of them. Most of them get demonetized, which is one of the reasons why I'm not able to make enough money to continue to just not have a Patreon. So that's why I'm like very grateful for any sponsors that I get, and also you guys just being supportive and, you know, buying my books or my makeup, supporting me over on Patreon, and watching videos here. That also is supporting me. So I just want to say thank you. And also, it's not all about the money. I want you guys to know that. If it was all about the money, I just wouldn't make YouTube videos anymore. I would only be making videos over on Patreon. So I also just want to let you guys know that it's not just like, oh, my videos get demonetized and I don't make enough money here. It's not about the money. It's about me continuing to be able to do what I love and, you know, make videos where I feel like I can be myself and say whatever I want and not worry about my whole channel getting taken down. And so that's why I'm able to have Patreon for that. I hope that that makes sense. Okay, someone says, how much is Patreon? And what is the difference between the $10 tier and the $13 tier? So that's a great question. So my Patreon is $10 a month. So you pay monthly. So right when you sign up, you get charged right up front for $10. And then from there on out, you get charged at the first of every month. So I would recommend that if you do ever want to sign up for Patreon and it's like towards the end of the month, that you wait till the first, because you'll get double charged. And a lot of people are like, oh, I got charged twice, but you didn't. It's just they charge you up front and then they charge you at the first of every month. So that's my advice to you. Some people that has happened to, and they think that they got charged twice, but they didn't. So that's their policy. So I'm just letting you guys know in advance. But yeah, so for $10 a month, you get access access to all of my videos I've ever posted there and all the videos I continue to post. You also get entered into a exclusive giveaway, and they're pretty good ones if I do say so myself. In fact, this month we're doing a little bit differently, and basically they have an option between 3 different giveaways. So whoever gets picked gets to choose either an original painting, and they get to choose which one they want out of all the paintings I've ever done. They also have a makeup giveaway, or like bundle, so a huge bundle of brand new makeup that they get to choose from. And then the other option is my signed books and a KitKat. So whoever ends up winning the giveaway, say for some reason they don't like, you know, my paintings, or they're not really into books but they're really into makeup, they can choose to get the makeup bundle. So it's neat because there's a couple different options, and whoever wins gets to choose which giveaway bundle they want. And so that's for the $10 tier, and every month we do a pretty like decent giveaway. And then the $13 tier is my workshop tier, and if you've never heard of that before, I don't know, it's because I've never really promoted it, but it's just up there. I put together a 30-day life transformational motivational workshop basically on how everything I've learned to get to where I am today and how I am able to live my dream life. And I am very passionate about helping other people achieve their dreams and goals. And so I put together a 30-day workshop, and that's what the $13 tier is. So you get access to that. You also get access to me one-on-one with any questions that you have. And then I once a month will upload another like type of motivational video to keep you guys like held accountable and on track, and make sure that you guys are, you know, continuing to do what you're supposed to be doing to stay successful and get where you want to be. For instance, one of my subscribers, and I hope she's okay with me talking about this, her name is Layla. She's amazing. She's been a supporter of mine on Patreon for a while, and she started a business, like a small business on Etsy, making bullet journals, and they're amazing. And she, you know, asked me for some advice, and I said, you know, like, are you okay with me like shouting you out on Instagram? You know, she was like, of course. And so, you know, that helped her get a lot of traction to her Etsy shop, and a lot of people like interested. And so I want to be able to like help you guys like that on there, in any way that I can help you guys become successful. So that's basically what the workshop tier is. It's a very hardcore 30-day workshop. It's a new video every day that you watch for 30 days in a row, and it really helps you to become successful, and it basically like gives you all my tips and tricks on how to be successful and like what I do and stuff and what I've learned along the way. In addition to that, you also get access to all of my videos in the $10 tier. You also get to have a giveaway in that tier as well. So sometimes it's a different giveaway, and then sometimes it's the same one. It just depends, different every month. So if you are in the $13 tier, you get access to be able to win a giveaway 2 times, like you get entered twice. I hope that makes sense. That's the difference between the 2 different tiers on my Patreon. Let's see. Do they have a strike limit on YouTube? Would they take your whole channel down? Yes. A lot of people are like, why do you have a Patreon? No, this is one of the reasons why, because I just can't post those videos here anymore, and it really sucks because I want to. I really push the limit. You'll see some of my videos I put up. For instance, one of the reasons like the cops were at my house, and I posted that video to Patreon when it first happened, and then people, I had like mentioned it, people heard about it, and they were like, oh my god, we want to see that video here. So I was able to like tweak certain things and just like mute out or edit out certain things that I knew would get taken down off YouTube, and I posted that here. So sometimes once in a while I'll do that if I can, but that's what I mean by pushing the limits, but it scares me. And yes, if you have 3 strikes, you're out. Your channel is no more. How many videos does YouTube demonetize of yours? A lot. Majority of them. Do you need to renew the subscription? So once you sign up on Patreon, like I said, you get charged at the first of every month. So you don't have to do anything. You'll automatically get renewed, but you can cancel at any time. Say you sign up and you're like, this is definitely not for me, I don't want to continue to keep paying here. You can literally cancel your membership that same day, and you'll still have access to my Patreon for that month because you've already paid for it, but you won't get charged again. How much is your Patreon? It's either $10 or $13. Are you more interactive on Patreon? That's a really great question. So I try to say I'm equal on each platform, but because there's way less people on my Patreon than there is on my YouTube, you know, we have like, I think as of right now, we have like a little over 600 people over on Patreon, and we have over 1 million on YouTube. So I'm active the same, but you're more likely to get one-on-one messages and stuff from me over on Patreon just because there's a lot less people there. So I'd like to say I'm 50-50, you know, like equal, but you'll probably hear from me more on Patreon because there's less people. I hope that that makes sense. Do you like Patreon more than you like YouTube? This is such a hard one. I think that there's pros and cons to both. I love that I can post whatever I want to Patreon and not have to worry about Patreon getting taken down. So that's one thing I really like about Patreon. The one thing I love about YouTube is that literally anybody can watch it and they don't have to pay for it. It's totally entirely free. So, you know, there's pros and cons to both. I'm very grateful for both platforms. So someone said, do you ever have sales on Patreon? For instance, $7 a month instead of 10. So I've actually never done that, but I literally just came across the fact that I can do like promotional offers like that for the month or something, or for like a week, I can do that. And so I would love to do that for you guys. So maybe I'll do that for this week while the video is up, and I'll put all the information down below. So if you guys want to sign up for like, you know, a promotion where it's like cheaper for this week to sign up if you want to, I will do that down below, because obviously everyone loves a good sale, am I right? So thanks for asking, because that reminded me that I did see that the other day. So what is it and how is it different from your YouTube videos? So I've kind of already answered this, but I'll just touch on it a little bit more. Basically, over on YouTube, I post videos that most likely aren't allowed on YouTube, but there are videos that I post over there that would be totally fine to be on YouTube, but I try to also give them more exclusive content so that they feel, you know, because they are supporting me extra and paying for content, I want to go above and beyond for them. And so I do try to give them extra videos that you can't see anywhere else. So there are times when I'll post, you know, just like Patreon exclusive Q&As, you know, so most likely their question will be answered because again, there's less people there, and you know, stuff like that. Or sometimes I'm at like a swim lesson with Snow and I just like want to upload that for them, you know, like I'll do little things like that. For instance, I think on Snow's first birthday, I never posted really a vlog of that, but I did like a whole unedited vlog for Patreon that was exclusive just for them. Basically, it was like they were at Snow's first birthday with us and they got to like be a fly on the wall or act as if they were there because, you know, the camera was just rolling, it was unedited. You know, I'll do videos like that once in a while. It really just depends, but for the most part, like there's some really juicy, good, crazy videos over there, like story times, you know, all kinds of fun stuff. Okay, so Naomi says, what made you want to pass on your knowledge about being successful in your workshop tier? That's such a great question. You know what? This is gonna be a long ass video. I always get people and I hear them saying like, oh, I'd love to do this, or I really want to do that. And I'm like, well, why aren't you doing it? And I want other people to be successful. I want other people to do well. Like I want to help other people get to where they want to be. And so that's what motivated the workshop tier for me. You know, a lot of people are like, how'd you go from like porn to like where you are now and like the life that you have? And I'm like, I've had to learn a lot along the way. And these are the things that I've done and this is what's worked for me. And I want to just share that because I want everyone to like be happy and do well. You know, life is short. I want everyone to be successful and happy and I want to help them. And that makes me happy. Like I get a lot of enjoyment out of helping other people. And so that's kind of like what made me want to do that. Do you ever post videos later on YouTube that were on your Patreon? So I used to do this in the beginning where like Patreon members would get access to the videos like early on before I posted them to YouTube. But if it's something like big, like for instance, when I found out Snow was a girl, like her gender reveal, I put that on Patreon first. So certain videos I will do that for Patreon, but not every video because I post too many videos to do that. But if it's like a big deal, you know, like finding out I'm pregnant or something like that, I'll post it to Patreon first and then post it on YouTube. So yeah, if you pay the $13 fee every month, can you see everything that you post? Yes, you can. Can you film a sex advice video on YouTube? So I can't. That's one of the things I can't do anymore. And it really sucks. Like these are the things that upset me, but then I have to remember, oh, at least I have Patreon. I can do it on there. Someone said, how often do I post? So I for sure at least post once a week, every Monday, but I'm probably gonna be posting more on there. How long are the videos? They vary everywhere from like, you know, 10 minutes to an hour. What about the folks that can't afford Patreon but want to watch your videos? These are the ones that like break my heart. I hope that you know that if I could post all of my videos on YouTube, I would, but Patreon allows me to be able to continue posting here for you guys. And so because they do pay extra, I feel obligated to give them exclusive videos. And I'm only posting those videos there because I can't post them here. So I really hope that you understand. And I really hope that you understand that I'm trying to make everybody happy. By having Patreon, I'm able to still be able to post here because it is my full-time job. And so I'm sorry. I really hope that you're not upset with me. I hope that you understand why I have Patreon and that I'm not trying to make it like unfair for anybody. I'm doing my best, and I will also try my best to put certain videos, maybe like once a month, I'll do a Patreon video and edit it so I can post it here. Hopefully that will make you guys a little bit more happy that aren't able to afford Patreon or sign up. A lot of people sign up for Patreon one time just for the month and then cancel their membership because maybe they can't afford to do it every month, but they want to be able to like go on and watch all the videos and just pay the $10 to get access to, you know, over 100 exclusive videos, and then you can cancel. So if you want to do something like that, you can too. Totally up to you. Or you don't have to like sign up at all. You can just support me here. I just wanted to make a video so that you guys understand Patreon a little bit more because I do get a lot of questions about it and a lot of people have no idea what it is or why I have it. Also, someone said, how do you sign up? I'm gonna put cards. I'm gonna leave it at the end of the video where you can just click and it'll take you there. And also in the description box, I will have a link to my Patreon Patreon, and then also a link to the 30-day workshop, and that way you guys can check it out. Head over there, see if it's something that you're interested in. If not, no worries, no hard feelings. I am just glad that you're here supporting me, and I love you very much. So hopefully that answers your questions. Thank you to everybody that is here watching this video right now. I appreciate you. I appreciate you whether you're on Patreon or you're not on Patreon, and I am very grateful for you. And you guys allow me to continue to do what I love. So thank you. Thank you for being here. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and I hope to see you in my next video.
I hit the bottom, now I got it poppin'. Just take a good look at the way that I'm living. Working the grind, gaining respect. Every day I be getting a check, but money or not, I be something to watch. Ain't no taking my place, so watch where you step. Regardless of cash, regardless of wealth, I never got handouts, I did this myself.